You might be in the position where your Instagram repost option is not showing up and you want to fix this issue. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix this issue with few steps. First thing first, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. In order to check it out, move into App Store and search for Instagram. Click on this app. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that you are not using the updated version of the app. It might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. So in this case, simply click on update and update the app. Now wait for a while for the update to be completed. And once you have got the updated version of the app, you can simply move it to application Instagram and check it out if the issue has been fixed or not. Now, even if you have updated, if you do not see the repost button, then head over to your profile, click on the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on Logout. Once again tap on Logout. Once you have been logged out, simply re-log in into your account and then it should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.